The alignment section of the iJetColor 1175p envelope press is the portion primarily responsible for ensuring the straightness of the paper before it goes under the printhead. In order to replace it, you will need the following tools: a 5/32 inch Allen wrench and a 5/64 inch Allen wrench. First, remove the entry bar from the machine. It is held on by 4 5/32 inch Allen screws. Set it aside after it is removed. Next, remove the feeder. It is held on from underneath by 2 black knobs with attached springs and washers. After it is removed, remove the front plug-in. After that, remove the alignment balls using the 2 black thumb screws attached to the back of the alignment wall. Now, remove the front alignment wheel by loosening the attached set screw using a 5/64 Allen wrench. Next, using a 5/32 Allen wrench, remove the 4 screws which anchor the alignment section to the frame. Move the belts to either side, then go around to the back. There, remove the tensioner on the small transmission belt using a 5/32 inch Allen wrench, followed by the screw which sits beneath it. Then, remove the transmission belt. Finally, we will remove the alignment section from the machine. Grip the unit by the space in between the green belts. It may need some jiggling to get loose. Be careful not to bend the shaft, which protrudes from the front. Once it is removed, you may either continue this video and replace the section, or go to the video on disassembly and replacement of the green belts. To reattach the alignment section, start by threading the front alignment shaft back through the hole in the front. Carefully lower the non-operator side of the unit back into position. It may be necessary to slightly bend the sheet metal skin on the entry side in order to make room. The small aluminum plate which previously contained the belt tensioner may get caught on the belt pulley. If this happens, lightly tap the top of the alignment section to move past the blockage. Next, reattach the screw and belt tensioner to the plate at the back. Pay close attention to the orientation of the tensioner. Do not move the tensioner into position yet, and do not tighten the screw all the way. Attach the frame screws to the operator side of the alignment section first. Then, attach the frame screws to the non-operator side. Now, we will reattach the transmission belt. Loop it around the pulley on the right, then across the pulley on the left. Move the tensioner into position and tighten its screw. You may now also tighten the bottom screw. Next, attach the front alignment wheel and tighten the set screw. Make sure that the set screw aligns with the cutout on the shaft. Finally, reattach the entry bar and align it with the printhead. The alignment can be done by measuring the distance from the entry bar to the printhead on the operator and non-operator sides. and adjusting the positioning of the brackets on either side until the difference between the two distances is 1/32 of an inch or less.